Hello everyone, this is Jem from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 6th of December afternoon analysis. Alright, on this video we will cover the indices, what's happening in US and German market. We will just cover those and what to expect in short term and long term. So we will see and we will cover all of them. Alright. We are starting with NASDAQ. As you can see on NASDAQ, another loss week in from all-time highs. After tapering, we have seen some rises because of the speed of tapering was so less, but the speech of Fed showed us it's getting serious. The market cannot get easy money so much. After this one, we start to see declines. Then another Moderna CEO has talked on this time. He said Omicron variant is resistance to vaccination, so we have to update our vaccination. And with these news, we have seen decline in markets from where, let me just show you, from 16,750 right now trading at 1560. 1,200, yeah, almost 1,200, because it touched these levels today. 1,200 points lost in NASDAQ in just 2 days. All right, this is for our chart. As you can see here, RSI is saying that we may make some buy options, but to be careful. Let me just show you. As you can see here, when it tries to make an upwards trial, so each time it's getting rejected. And inflation data this Friday. Until that day, Fed's hawkish position will go on, and expected rate in inflation is right now 6.7. So with the light of this information, everybody will just wait for really sooner rate hike than planned. So people will have some choice. It doesn't mean that it will go like a 2% or 3%. It won't happen, we know that, but still a slight increase will happen. And right now interest rate in US 0.25, so people have no other choice than stock markets because return is high, more than inflation. If inflation goes like this and rate hike happens, then we will see another decline in that one, because people will have a little chance. But this is not the end of the world, because we have seen more crashes like this, and each time it has recovered from these levels. These may be, if you have enough free margin, if your account can support, these levels are good levels to buy and wait, because if it comes from this point to 16 levels again, then you will make thousands of dollars. This is good opportunity. I'm not saying this right now we are at deep position, but we see that at least it is stopping at some point. 15,500 is kind of a barrier to go down further, and from this point we may see rebound, and we may see coming back to normal levels, and it may try higher levels. But first we have to see at least 16,000 from NASDAQ. All right, let's look at S&P. What's happening there?
you are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, we are on S&P chart. As you can see here, it's also on decline. This oil micron is making everything on fall. Oil prices, stocks, even gold is going down on normal circumstances. Normally in risk scenario, gold prices go higher, but it's not happening, and even gold prices are on decline, and then it has tested 1760s on Friday. All right, as you can see on S&P, it's also has declined more than 300 points, and that means 8%, almost 8%. We may see, like, if we were expecting 5% correction already in S&P, and it has happened more than 5%. Right now we may see a rebound from this point, because decline in S&P is recovering better than NASDAQ. As you can see here, 4500 level is really good barrier to further decline in S&P, and from that point we see jumping up at least one level higher right now, and it can go up to 4615 level, and the next resistance will be on this spot. So expectations, if we just hear that right now, we know that Omicron is spreading faster, but nobody knows that is it deadlier or deadliest compared to all other variants. If we just make sure that if the scientists say that, all right, because there are findings that the people who have this variant have mild symptoms compared to Delta variant. So if you just hear that, all right, it is spreading more, but the symptoms and the problems are less than these previous ones, especially in vaccinated people. If you just hear this one, so there will be a big relief in the market, and they will recover so fast. If you just want to make this one, you should watch the market, and then you should just keep an eye on these indices. All right, let's look at German DAX market. What's happening there? Let's take it. All right, German DAX index feeling the pressure more and more, actually so much more than US market. Reason is definitely near epicenter, Germany and Europe becoming near epicenter of this pandemic. As you can see here, all right, let's look at it. You can see here that it's struggling to go over 15300, and each time when it reaches to 15400 levels, it is being rejected from that area, and then we see declines on that levels. And right now there are some good news regarding DAX index. Let me just share with you. Olaf Scholz has announced the minister of the new coalition government. This is a good news for German economy. If there's an approval process, and then probably within 1-2 days it will be over. After that we will see rebound on this market, because there will be less uncertainty, but the cases are really important. We should see less cases in Germany and also in Europe. If we just see these happening, then from this point we will see another high rally, and Christmas rally can make you another thousands of dollars in these indices. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will be together on more news tomorrow morning with intraday analysis. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.